At the right is a graph of a periodic function or sinusoidal function at the line in the line y equals 5. One of the intersection points is 11.31 comma 5, which is right here. First, we're asked what is the period of the function. So where does it start repeating? Now we could use that 11.31 comma 5, but that's like super random and in the middle of nowhere and not super helpful. I want to know where is it starting to repeat, and I know is that with these sine or cosine functions, if we start at the top there and go all the way back to the top at these two blue points, that's kind of where it starts to repeat. That's one period between these 2 points. So my period here is from 5 to 25, so 20 units until it starts repeating over and over again. So if we add 20 on the x value, then that's where we're starting to repeat. Second part here is use symmetry of the graph to state the coordinates labeled as b. So b here, what it looks like, what they're saying by symmetry here is that, here, let me redraw this. So if I have this zoomed in version of my problem here, where this x value is 11.31 comma 5 is the y value, I know that on the other side of this, it's symmetrical, and so therefore it's going to be the same distance between the point and the line here, and the y value has to be the same. So it's going to be something comma 5 for sure. But what I need to figure out is the distance between these two things. And if I kind of look back over at my graph, I know that this middle point is 15. So I'm going to find the distance here between these two by just using subtraction. So 15 minus 11.31. So that distance is 3.69. So that means that this distance also has to be 3.69. So I'm going to add that to 15. And so I get my coordinate here of 18.69 comma 5. That's this point B. Lastly, it says, what are the coordinates of point C? And it looks like C is going to have, again, the same y value. So I know it's going to be something comma 5 again. Let's change colors here. So C is over here. It's where it crosses that y equals 5 again. And for this one here, what I notice is that it's one period away from B, right? If we notice that it lands on the same y value, it's in the same spot on the graph. So since I know the period is 20, I'm just going to subtract 20 from the x value of B. So in that case, if we do that in a calculator, subtract 20, I end up getting negative 1.31, which is my coordinates for C.